Okay, it's finally here. The day is here, at least for me. Let the fun mods begin. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. This video has actually been delayed over a week because of scheduling issues and stuff like that. So sorry, no upload here in a little while. It was supposed to be up last week, but it just didn't work out. But it's happening today. The RS7 is finally getting its full exhaust installed from FI, of course. We're gonna head on over to AutoVlog, get it installed, and finally it won't sound like a Dyson. It's gonna be pretty interesting once we get this car up in the air on the rack to see how many like mufflers, resonators, and stuff that it has. Because for a performance car, it is extremely quiet. Like every other car that I've owned. Anyway, every other German, muscle slash performance car that I've owned, the AMGs and so on, they're still like somewhat loud stock. This one is just completely quiet. I mean, you don't hear anything. But we're changing that today. All right, so for the probably 115th time, we are back at AutoVlog for some good old modifications. This one I am excited about. That is for damn sure.
That's all?
I know, it sucks ass. That's why I'm here.
Okay, fair enough.
All right, so we finally got everything unboxed here. Probably not in the correct order, but it looks pretty. Take a look at it now before it's too late, because yeah, it won't look like this for very long. But this is number 41 from FI Exhaust, and check out these damn tips. This thing are huge. Look at that little FI logo on there. They're, I guess, matte black. I love it, man. It looks awesome. All right, so let's compare with the stock exhaust here. Mufflers are huge. Then we got a big old resonator right there. Then we got two more resonators right here. And then actually way up there we got cats. But compared to the new system, yeah, it's a big, big difference. This is gonna be so much louder. I love it. Man, that is one big piece. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, look at the difference here. Look at that. That is ginormous versus this. Puny little resonators there. A lot smaller mufflers here. But you guys know we're gonna have valves, so we can have them either fully open or closed. So here's the remote. Seen this on several systems that we've installed on other cars already. All right, the moment of truth. We're finally all buttoned up. Got the remote and everything working. First startup. Oh yeah. Sounds phenomenal.
Yeah, it does.
Sounds great.
Close them up.
All right, hold on. Okay, we got to close them here. All right, go now, Vince. Hey,
that's like stock. Yeah. Like it never happened.
Go!
I guess when you do that, it's 1 mile.
Oh yeah. It sounds great. It's definitely not going to be neighbor disturbingly loud in the morning when you start it, which is actually, I guess, a good thing. But it's crazy loud when you get on it. Oh, I can't wait to get it out on the road though. What a difference. It was like a freaking Dyson vacuum cleaner. Quiet. Dude, that is so awesome. Dude, that is such a difference.
You can just feel it too.
I know, I love it, man. Oh, it's sick. Yeah, it rumbles like, you know, darker, but it's not like crazy at idle.
It doesn't, like you said, it doesn't have a bad drone.
No, it doesn't. It's nice. Thanks for the good work, man. That is awesome. Let's go out and take it for a rip. This is such a difference. This is only GoPro audio though. Listen to the crackles. Oh. It's just such a difference, man. I love it. You guys know when I think about stuff like this. It's a completely different car. It just opens the car up. I love it. All right, so what I want to try to do now is a launch control where it's finally somewhat better weather. If you guys saw the previous video, we got some better tire temperatures, but there was a cop hanging out over there. So I'm only gonna risk this once. Screen recording my Draggy app here. Let's see what we can get, 0 to 60.
30, 60.
Dang. It's still freaking just shredded tires. 3.09. 3.09. Man, if we can just get past that tire shredding thing, this thing will do it sub 3 seconds. I know it. You guys know what we have to do. The inaugural little tunnel run. Yes. Yeah, we are not done with the video. It's the next day. The weather is crappy as hell. Of course, it's windy and it's rainy and everything, but we're gonna have our first real cold start. Let her rip. Much better, much better. It's definitely what the car needed, and it's the most fun modification we've done so far on the RS7. I'm super happy, super grateful to FI once again. I have a great relationship with them, and I'm very thankful for that. I think it's my 6th car that I'm doing with them, and also Auto Illusions for always doing a great job, being great guys. So thanks to FI and Auto Illusions for making this possible. I mean, this is what the car is supposed to sound like. And we all know by now that it has too much power for at least these tires. So these are some Continentals. I'm sure they're like some all-season tires, whatever. I think we're gonna have to wait till spring when we have proper tires on a new set of wheels to actually get a good launch time with this car. Obviously, I want to do quarter mile and all that good stuff as well, but 0 to 60 is the one that's most important to me, at least. With that being said, we do have wheels that should be arriving today, and they're the first set of wheels that we're getting because I decided to wait till spring comes before we get like proper wheels for this car. But the ones that are coming today are much better than the ones that are currently sitting on the car. So I guess we'll cover that in the next video. I don't think I can say much more, you know, about the exhaust and everything. Again, I'm super happy. I hope you guys love the sound just as much as I do. And I think that's gonna do it for today's upload. If you guys enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time and you haven't already and you want to, please subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.